a plane for you, and I'm going to show you how to put it together. Now, underneath you have R for right. That's the right side. So you put the wing in until it goes all the way in, nice and easy. And then L, left side. And you stick it in this slot in the fuselage. And now we're going to put the flaps in the back slot, line it up, and the most important part is the elevators. You have to make sure they're pointing up, and then you decorate however you like, and it's so much fun. And then you get some good lift of the air, and it's coming this way, so let's go into the air. Woo! Look at that plane go. All right, let's try it again. Off we go into the wild blue yonder. Ah! Oh, it's a crash landing. Let's see if there's any survivors. Oh, my poor people inside. Oh, I will save you. And there you go. Come visit again.